Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Listen to words with AR, OR, and ER. Car, fork, teacher.
Car, fork, teacher.
Good. Now you do it.
Car, car.
Fork, fork.
Teacher, teacher.
Car.
Farm,
Doctor.
brother,
Sister.
park,
Fork.
Dark.